The 3 people on this flight, this is the captain. The plane is gonna crash. What? Oh dear. I've done all I can, but the plane is going down. There's 3 parachutes, and as I'm the pilot, I'm taking 1. You guys can fight it out who takes the other 2. Okay, listen you two. I'm Elon Musk, the smartest man on the planet. Mr. Musk, humanity can't afford to lose this brain, so I'm taking the parachute. Cheers. Right, okay. Well, listen, my son, I'm a man of God, and I've lived a full and happy life. You may take the last parachute. No, don't worry, mate. We're gonna be fine. Really? What makes you so sure? That smartest man in the world guy, he just took my backpack.